Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will explain you how to get AliExpress promo code. So there are two options how to do it, and the first one is to open AliExpress and find some item and check if it supports some coupons. So for example this one, and if I scroll down I will see this red line that is highlighted red. And if I tap here, I can see which exactly coupons I have. So if I want to use, for example, this coupon, I need to spend at least $8 to get $1 discount. And the second way how to find your coupon is by going to your account and find section coupons that look basically like coupon. And here you can see store coupons if you apply that filter at the top, and also some AliExpress coupon codes. And also you can go to get more coupon button at the bottom side of the screen, and this is basically coupon center where you can find so many coupons that you can use. Here are many options to choose from, so go ahead and use your coupons. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.